So this is a small system that was installed 4 years ago by Itapa, and it serves the small community out here. And you can see it's pretty rural, not very high density housing. Okay, here's the intake for this plant, but it's a combined runoff sanitary sewer, so during rainfall events it swamps it out. There's actually too many people connected to this. It was designed for about maybe 400 people, and there's over 600 people that are now connected, or houses perhaps. Point for this little plant right here.
It's working, but it's not better. But they working before when somebody will be here all day.
It was working better.
Up everything before. But now no.
Y bueno, y lo de fondo se va para acá. Ya.